Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm very excited to bring to you a leather keyring that you can put on your AirTag, and I'll be also demonstrating how to put it on, and I'll be unboxing this. Alright, before I continue with the unboxing experience, I would like to remind you guys this channel survives solely on your subscriptions and support. Okay, it doesn't cost you anything. If you subscribe, you'll be ensuring that you'll be getting more quality content. Alright, that's it. Without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. Very Apple, simple, just got the name, got a bit of information on the side. Nothing really, nothing. They don't overwhelm you and bombard you with information. That's what I like about that, about these guys. They do that so well. You got to give credit where it's due. It's got this little thing where you can hook it to. You can use this to pull it out. See, everything's been thought out. You can use this one to pull that out. There's nothing that you're going to be fiddling around and trying to get the plastic to come off for half an hour. And I do a lot of unboxing, so a person like me would absolutely appreciate that. All right, let's look inside. So what do you get inside? You just get a piece of paper, okay? Yeah, for warranty information. See, Apple. And that's basically it. Okay, yeah, let's get the keyring out. Is that actual size? That looks like actual size. That's pretty impressive. Okay, what do you get here? Nothing. All right, great. So that's basically it, the little guy, which costs so much. All right, so it's got a bit of a kind of thing that you can pull out, I think. Or do you open this? Yes, you open it. Okay, there you go. All right, now how do you slip it in? Do you slip it in from here or here? I'd be guessing from up here. Okay, and how would you do it? Would you do back to front, front to back? Because let's try this way. I think it'll go this way. Nice and easy. Yep, that's it. Bang. How good does that look, guys? I'm pretty impressed. I'm happy with this. What do you guys think? Thank you for staying to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think of this little keychain thing, okay, in the comments, and I would love to hear back from you guys. Thanks for staying to the end. Take care. Bye-bye.